These are the steps of unlocking a permanently locked Snapchat account. Let's hop over to our web browser and then type Snapchat account locked or something similar. The link which we're going to open is this, my Snapchat account is locked, which is the second one on the page. And I'll make sure to leave this website link, as well as others, in the description of this video so we can open it from there. Firstly, we need to find out whether our Snapchat account was locked permanently or if it was locked temporarily. So let's expand this section called My Account Was Temporarily Locked. And then you can see the reasons why your account was locked. Maybe you've used a third-party software or plugin, or you may try to enter your Snapchat password too many times at once, and that's why they may have locked your account. Don't worry, this is a security measure to protect your account, so just remove those apps or those plugins that you may have used, wait around 48 hours, and then try to log into your Snapchat account. Also, make sure you enter the correct password for your account, and then you should log in automatically, and your account will be unlocked this way. These are the steps if you have a temporary lock on the account. If this step doesn't work, then your account may have a permanent lock. So let's go back and then expand this. Why was my account locked right here? There are a few different reasons on why you got a permanent lock on your account. And it may be because you've violated some of their community guidelines. Maybe you've sent spam or similar content using some third-party apps that aren't allowed and similar. Also, if you've been using a device on which you already got banned in the past with a previous Snapchat account, then that also may be a reason of your account getting a permanent lock. So what we can do from here is to request an appeal to unlock our account. And we can do that by contacting the Snapchat customer support. And I'm going to show you how to do just that. Go back, expand this section called Who Can Unlock My Account, and then tap on this blue Appeal option right here. This page is going to give you a bunch of useful information on how you can appeal, what are the steps, what types of account locks can be appealed, and all that good stuff. So just follow the instructions carefully, and then go ahead and appeal your lock. One more thing which you can do is to hop over to the URL bar and then type Snapchat account compromised. The link which I'm going to open is this first one. And we're going to do this in case someone else may have access to our Snapchat account. Maybe it was hacked or something similar. So let's scroll a bit down until you see this Contact Support Here button and just tap on it. Now expand the I think my account was compromised section, which should be the first one from the top. This page is going to give us a couple of things which we need to enter, like our username, our phone number, the email address, and we'll also get a little message box where we need to explain to the Snapchat support team that we didn't violate any guidelines, our account was locked, and we don't know the reason, and kindly ask them to help you with unlocking your Snapchat account. You'll then want to submit the message, and then wait for them to respond to you, and hopefully help you with unlocking your account. So if this video helped you out, and you want more similar Snapchat tutorials like this one, then please make sure you subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.